So you join me in open water off Cape Morton, just about to head out into, back into the bay, see if it calms down, because, the surf. Alright, shed bait. Is it even worth it, I ask myself. I think I've got a fish. Yes, I do have a fish. It's a really small one again, isn't it? Look how fast I'm moving. But I do have a fish. Let's see if I can actually get this one in a net. You are going straight back. Right, here's my game plan. Find the edge of the weed, I'm going to put the anchor out and I'm just going to cast into this wind. Bloody hell. This is going to be very, very tricky. I don't know how long I'm going to be able to persevere with this, in all honesty, because I know it's going to just really me off. Big fish. I think this is a lot of weed. It's still there. Feeling kicking. Yeah, there we go, he is kicking. Maybe he's a bit bigger than I think he is. Yeah, you'll do, you'll do. Alright buddy, in you go. The conditions are just bonkers. He's not exactly a big fish, but he's bigger than the other ones that I've caught this morning. Oh man. Alrighty. If it wasn't for this thing, today would effectively be impossible. There we go, tightened up to the anchor. Line of weed, and the only reason I'm not drifting ridiculously is because the anchor's jammed solid in some weed and the fish is sitting just in front of it, which is why I got that bite and instantly got buried in weed. Oh. That still is a fish? That still is a fish. Yeah, that is a fish. And he's right into the weed, not surprisingly. Look, if I was a fish, that's where I'd go. Not towards the anchor rope, please. Whee. Alright buddy, in you come, in you come, there we go. Far out, this is hard work. Hard work for tiny fish. Yeah, 34. God, the two things that are making this even remotely possible are the anchor and using a 20-gram lure, because that's the only way I can get a decent cast in and get it down to where these fish are, otherwise it would just be impossible. So yeah, this is how far I've drifted just on hooking that fish and doing that short piece to camera. The wind is just unreal. Okay, gotcha. Clip that on. Ship that to the front. That's going to tighten up pretty quick. I feel like the last couple of fish come from this direction, so I tightened up to that anchor. Yeah, okay, so I'm tightened up now. Yeah, see, that's where the edge of the weed bed is. Oh, and that's the fish. No, seriously, that's hopping the lure through the weed bed. Okay, alright, same drill. Oh no, has he come out? He's come out. Yeah, he has come out. Alright. That's the only problem when you've got the anchor in front of you. What you don't want is these guys swimming into the anchor line. Doesn't help that I've got this floating weed raft as well out in front of me. Tell if this is a better fish or I'm just pulling in a big old ball of weed. It feels a bit better. Oh god. Come on. Yeah. Alright. Maybe I've gotten a bit all fired up. They're all about the same size. What's this one? That's fish of the session so far. That's 36. Yeah, bloody hell, I am not looking forward to paddling back to the basin. Try and line myself up so he's going a semi-straight line. Check that I'm not tangled around the rod tip. Get a cast in, trap the line, check the clutch, and we're fishing again. And there's another fish. They're just all in front of this weed bed, and such a load of floating weed at my top. Oh, far out. Okay, same drill. Unhook the anchor. Try and pull his head out of the weed bed. Get some weed off the line. Pretty certain he's still there. Yeah, I can feel it. Well, no. Yeah, he is still there. This feels pretty good. It's so difficult to tell because obviously I'm buried in weed right now. Every time it pings off. Yeah, he'll do. Alright. Round you come. Round you come. Yeah, okay, that is definitely getting more we're looking for. Yes. That is much better. We are happy with that one. That's a bit more like it. Yeah. Solid fish. Solid fish. Not bad. 42. Not up to winter weight by any stretch of the imagination, but I'll take a 42 centimetre bass on a day like this anytime. I don't mind saying this has to be the worst wind conditions I've experienced here. That was unbelievable, getting across the basin to come around here was just so yeah, as predicted at the beginning of the video, a very short session. In a way, I'm glad that I paddled to the top end. It was good to get some fish. Was it worth it? Right now, I'm not entirely sure. That paddle back was just unreal. It's taken me pretty much an hour going into a really strong headwind. I tried one cast at Toga Point and I did actually get a fish. Oh, that was a rattle. That's a fish. At least I think it is. Yeah, I'm going towards it so bloody fast, I can't tell. Oh, no, it is. It's not a very big fish, and he's going straight back. But it was just impossible. I just gave up. So yeah, a very short video with a few fish in it. I hope you enjoyed that. Hit the like button if you did, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one when hopefully it's not blowing a gale!